Hello, Shally Nations. Welcome back to another interesting and mind-blowing video for today. Alright, in my last video, I noticed that the age grade or age range of people watching my videos was around 30 something to 50 something to 70 something. So in that honor, I decided to make 30 work from home jobs for women over 50 and how they can make $1,000 per day. Just simple and easy. And I've been looking into ways for women over 50 to earn their extra money through side hustles. So whether you're saving for retirement or you just need a little more cash for groceries, I've found 30 different side hustle ideas that could work for you. You can do any of these gigs for just a few hours a week to boost your income. I really want to encourage you to think about what you enjoy doing and what you are good at. Having a side hustle that you enjoy can prevent burnout, boredom, all right, and it will motivate you to keep at it a little bit longer. So find something you love and let's make some extra money together. Now, these side hustles will tap into the unique skills, experiences, and interests of you as a lady who is over 50 years, offering you the opportunity to generate additional income while making a positive impact in your community. So with that being said, let's get over to the first work from home job for women over 50, which is vintage reselling consultant. With years of experience and an eye for quality, if you are a woman over 50, you can leverage your expertise in vintage items to become a consultant for individuals looking to sell or purchase vintage clothing, accessories, or home decor. By providing guidance on valuation, authentication, and market trends, you can earn a commission on successful sales or charge consulting fees. Now, the second way you as a lady who is over 50 can make a lot working from home is the online storytelling coach. So if you are a lady over 50 and you possess a wealthy lifestyle experience and storytelling skills, you can utilize these talents to coach aspiring writers, bloggers, or public speakers in crafting compelling narratives. Through personalized coaching sessions or online courses, you can help individuals refine their storytelling techniques and unleash their creative potentials. Now, the third on my list that women over 50 can engage in working from home is the elderly companion coordinator. Many older adults value companionship and social interactions. So women over 50 can establish a side hustle by coordinating companionship services for elderly individuals in a community. This may involve matching seniors with compatible companions, organizing social outings or activities, and providing emotional support. By facilitating meaningful connections and enhancing quality of life for seniors, they can create a fulfilling and rewarding side business. So before we continue, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube can be notifying you whenever I upload contents like this fresh from my oven of research. If you are not above 50, you as well have people around you, families and loved ones who are above 50s, and they can do this so that they can elevate and remove or eliminate boredom completely from their lives. All right, now the fourth way women over 50 can earn so much money working from home is the heritage cooking instructor. This is because women above 50 often have cherished family recipes and culinary traditions that they have been passed down through generations. So they can share these treasures by offering these cooking classes or workshops, teaching others how to prepare traditional dishes which can only preserve culinary heritage but also generate income through class fees or recipe book sales. Now, the fifth method where women above 50 can earn just working from home is a vintage gardening consultant. With a passion for gardening and a knack for nostalgia, women above 50 can specialize in vintage gardening consulting. They can advise clients on creating retro-inspired gardens featuring heirloom plants, vintage garden decors, and period-appropriate landscaping techniques. These unique This unique expertise can attract gardening enthusiasts seeking to evoke the charm of yesteryears in their outdoor spaces. All right. Now, the sixth way women above 50 can earn hugely just working from home is what I call the elder care technology tutor. As technology continues to play a significant role in daily life, many older adults may feel overwhelmed or even intimidated by digital devices and software. So now, women above 50 can leverage their tech savviness to become elder care technology tutors. They can train and teach other women or men above 50 on technology. They can offer personalized lessons on using smartphones, tablets, social medias, and other digital tools to enhance their seniors' digital literacy. So, have you heard about these fun painting parties that all are rage? You know, where you grab a canvas, you sip some wine, and then you follow along as the instructor guides you through creating a masterpiece. Well, there's a similar vibe happening with crafting too. So can you imagine something like you invite your friends over for a craft night, and then it's a big night, so everyone gets a lot of supplies, a list of supplies, so they are all set when the party start rolling. Then the instructor shows up and walks around making something cool. So the instructor is there to teach everyone how to do something and how to craft something, and then each person kicks a bit of cash like $25 to $50, and the instructor takes care of the rest. So what the instructor does here is that they instruct you on how to create certain crafts, and then you pay the instructor for teaching you how to make that craft. Now you can be the instructor as a woman over 50. So if you are good at basket making, if you are good at making sweaters or cardigans or what have you, you can be the instructor to do that. So side hustle women above 50 can do right from their home is so yin. It's fascinating because there are a whole lot of movement towards using no papers, like paper towels and cloth napkins instead. I recently came across really tons of creative ideas for cloth napkins and reusable paper towels on Etsy. So this could be a perfect opportunity for you to earn some extra money by creating these items. The best part is that you don't need a lot of sewing skills for this. It's mostly just sewing straight lines. If you have a serger machine or you're thinking of getting one, you can often find them at discounted prices anyway. You can use it to serge the edges, making the sewing process even easier. And the thing is that it doesn't even stop there. There are other things you can sew, like a 9-block quilts and curtains. These projects also require fairly basic sewing skills, making them accessible to everyone. And don't forget also, you can even sew pillowcases. Most bedsheet sets only come with 2 pillows, but many people have more than that on their bed. So why not make yours customized and make your unique style show forth as a woman who is over 50? And then the next one on my list for ladies over 50, what they can do is cleaning. So if you enjoy tidying up and paying attention to the little things, why not take on cleaning 1 or 2 houses a week? I've seen young moms and women in their 50s do this. Some even turned it into a full-time business, employing people and having a team for cleaning houses, restaurants, and offices. Now the next one is offering childcare services. It's super fun and flexible. You can do this after school a couple of weeks or days in the evenings or weekends, or just for date nights. Babysitters are earning really good money nowadays. Back when I was So the next one on my list, you as a lady who is over 50, is that can help you make some extra bucks just working from home, is pet sitting or dog walking. So this is perfect for someone who works all days and needs help taking care of their dogs. It could also be for someone going away for the weekend or longer and needs daily pet care. Some people even have a side hustle walking multiple dogs every day. So before we continue, guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube algorithm can be notified that people are actually actually interested in these videos and they can send it to a larger audience. And then subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post updates like this. So are you passionate about making breads or pies, or you've perfected the art of making the most perfect pie crust? Have you ever thought about turning your baking skills into a side hustle? So for instance, my friend Catherine, she's known for her delicious pumpkin rolls, which she only sells around Thanksgiving to make extra money for Christmas presents. What this side hustle started as a way to make ends meet. Now it's now a tradition for her customers to get this kind of pumpkin rolls during Christmas. So why not consider selling yours too and monetizing your baking expertise? All right. Now the next side hustle on my list that women over 50 can do from the comfort of their home and earn lots of money is a laundry service work. Now picture having a washer and dryer at home just for you or your small family. You don't have a ton of laundry every day, but someday someone can drop off a bag of laundry at your house. You wash, you dry, you fold, and you return it in back, and they are paid for. They pick it up and pay you. Some pay by weight, some by load. So whether you are at home all day, or you are retired, or you're working full-time, you can handle a couple of loads in the evening. It's not too much work, and people are happy to pay for these services. All right, now the next website, oh my god, I'm so used to websites. Now the next side hustle on my list that women over 50 can do working from home and earn lots of money is clothes alteration. I often buy pants that are too long because I'm 5 to 3 inches, all right, or a skirt that needs hemming because it's too long. People are willing to pay to have their clothes altered to fit them better. All right, sometimes you just need something fixed like a zipper on a favorite coat, so taking it to someone who knows how to use a sewing machine or needle and thread can solve these issues. And if you're a lady over 50 who is retired, who is staying at home, you have a sewing machine, what are you waiting for? You can pick 1 or 2 persons and try doing this for them, and you are paid for it. Now the next on my list is selling your crafts. So whether through an Etsy store or at craft fair, this can be a great way to earn extra money. Why craft fair are popular this time of the year? Don't forget about farmers market, which happens weekly in neighboring towns. Now the next one on my list is becoming a tour guide, which can be an exciting opportunity, especially if you are passionate about history and knowledgeable about your local areas. So some bus companies hire people to give tours around their cities or town. If you enjoy interacting with others and sharing your expertise, consider exploring tour guide opportunities in your city. Now the next one on my list that you can do as a lady over 50 working from home and earn lots is working special events. This can provide a fun way to earn extra money, particularly for my ladies over 50. For example, the Performing Arts Center in my area hires retirees to assist with events like concerts, plays, and musicals. It's a great way to enjoy some entertainment for free while helping others find their seats and earning some additional income. Now the next on my list that ladies over 50 can do working from home and make a lot of money is if you are someone who enjoys browsing books on Amazon. So you've probably noticed the buy used option. This is for individuals selling their own book and handling the shipping themselves. So I'll share some apps that can assist you with Amazon and books. You can use this app with thrift shopping or visiting garage sales to scan the ISBN or barcode with your phone. This way you know how much these books are selling for on Amazon. It's a great little side hustle, especially if you're a book lover like me, offering a chance to make some extra money. Now the next one is running errands on a hustle for busy individuals. For example, returning Amazon purchases to the UPS store might be inconvenient. Personally, I would gladly pay someone a few dollars if they were already heading in that direction to take them back for me, because it will save me a lot of time and effort, making it worth hiring someone for the job. Now the next one on my list that women over 50 can do right from the comfort of their home, working from home, and earn lots of money when they are retiring age is teaching or tutoring. So if you have a teaching background or you have passion for education, consider teaching English online. Many companies hire teachers to instruct English as a second language to children overseas. And if you check my previous videos, I've made tons of videos on online tutoring skills, on online tutoring websites that are actively recruiting English tutors. So you can check out Cambly, you can check out Study Pool and all that. So check out the link in my description box below. I have listed out the tons of this video. Now guys, before we go over to the 18th website or side hustle on my list that women over 50 can do comfortably from their home, don't forget to give this video a like or thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Do this so that you can be notified whenever I release content fresh from the oven of my research. So if you are a super savvy with social media and you have a computer and email, you might want to become a virtual assistant. And there are tons of companies actively recruiting virtual assistants, like the Belay Solutions, like the Time etc, like the Fundly, like the Boldly, like Clear Voice, and other websites that I've mentioned in my previous video, which I will release and I will give you in my description box. So you might consider being a virtual assistant because this one is very easy for you. You just have to sit at a place, have a very good internet connection. You don't even need a laptop for it, just your phone, and you are good to go. Now the next one is, if you were a data and numbers person who may have worked in accounts receivable or knows how to do bookkeeping, having a bookkeeping side hustle is a great idea. So you might consider being a bookkeeper in several websites available. Now I've heard of this one, but I've never done it. It's called If You've Ever Sold Plasma. This is something that is pretty fascinating to me because nobody around here does it. So I would travel an hour away to sell my plasma, but you can get $100 each time you sell someone's plasma or each time you sell someone's goods that they want to sell out. All right, now the next one is, if you love to shop, you can shop for others. Consider some place like groceries. You can shop for others and deliver it to them with joy, or don't necessarily have to go into someone's house or even make contact. Everything is done through the app. You simply deliver the groceries to their porch or in front of their door, knock and say thank you very much and leave. It's much safer as far as I'm concerned than maybe driving for Uber for our women over 50. Now the next website on my list is, if you're a super neat person who loves to organize other people's stuff. How about being a personal organizer? Like, I love that show, that home edit show on Netflix that just shows you how they go in and organize. If this is your strong suit and your hobby, you might want to consider making some money off it. How about sitting with the elderly? I know that in my area it's really hard to have help for the elderly. This little town really doesn't have. So if you have a knack for organizing, you might want to consider organizing people's homes and getting paid for it. Now the next one goes to people with special needs and adults. You can be a home care specialist taking care of adults and children who have special needs. And there are several websites in need of people like this. Now the next one is being a cookie creation. There is a girl in my hometown who makes cookies. Now she doesn't make the super fancy sugar cookies. She just makes regular peanut butter, oatmeal, raisin, chocolate chip, the traditional cookies, and she posts them on Facebook. When she has them available, people will pay her money for her dozens of cookies. Also, she makes truffles and she does special collaborations for the holiday. So as a woman over 60, you can do this right from the comfort of your home. If you are good at making all these cookies, cakes, and all that, you can put them on social media platforms, or you can even tell your neighbors to tell your neighbor to tell another neighbor, and there you are good to go. Now the next one is writing books and publishing through KDP on Amazon. So if you love writing books, you have a knack for writing books, or you love reading books, you might want to try this out. All you have to do is set up an account, create an account, set up your bank account, your bank details, and you are good to go, and you start selling on Amazon. Now the next one is hosting a student. If you have the space in your home, consider hosting an exchange student going to the local high school or college. I know of a lady who does this and she has been doing this for years, and she has made her money from this. Now guys, all the amazing women over 50, I want to encourage you to explore these side hustles. Whether you're passionate about books, you enjoy helping others, or you have a heart for teaching, there is something for everyone. Okay, so don't let age be a barrier. Your experience, your skill, your wisdom are valuable assets, and the world is looking to hearing from you. Embrace the opportunity to try something new, earn extra income, and make a positive impact in the society. You've got this. All right, so thank you so much guys for watching this video, everyone, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you and have a good day. Bye.